Digital Media House.
HTML uses the head element to provide detailed information about the document and to connect external CSS, JavaScript, and font documents to the web page. Different elements are nested inside the head tag to hold each piece of information. The most common elements used are the title element and the meta element. The title element defines the document's title and displays it in the Browsers tab. The meta element provides various types of information, such as the document's character encoding, author, description, keywords, and other details. Various software and applications such as screen readers, web crawlers, search engines, social media platforms, and web developer tools use the information in the head element to better interpret, categorize, and improve usability and user experience for a web page.